Hello everyone. Today we'll look at an interesting binary options indicator, Peradox Sniper. It's unique in its own way. It's arguably one of the most accurate trend indicators discovered in many years. It operates on an original algorithm, which its creators keep strictly confidential. To calculate its values, this tool accesses specialized libraries. In this review, we will discuss how to use Peradox Sniper most effectively in binary options trading. Let's install the Peradox Sniper indicator in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. The indicator itself, like our template with all its settings, is installed in the standard way. Nothing complicated. You'll find a link to the indicator archive and detailed installation instructions in the description below this video. Now let's look at the indicator's operating principle and key settings. Peradox Sniper can generate signals for two main trading approaches, trend trading and mean reversion trading. Each type has its own signal. For example, when trend trading, you should focus on the color of the moving average. If it changes color from red to green, we buy a call option. If it changes color from green to red, we buy a put option. This is the standard logic of most trend-following moving averages. In this regard, the Peradox Sniper binary options indicator differs little from similar tools. However, its mean reversion trading signals are unique and highly accurate, even though trades are opened against the main trend. As you can see on the screen, after the candle with the arrow closes, the asset price usually starts moving in the opposite direction and reaches the moving average. Mean reversion. It's easy to see that the correction from these signals usually lasts a short time, about 2 candles. However, this time is quite sufficient to profit in the binary options market. The indicator itself has no settings. The user can only select the color of the moving average and arrows. Let's look at the rules of binary options trading using this indicator. Trend trading based on the changing color of the moving average of this indicator is more suitable for Forex traders. We're interested in binary options, so in this review we'll focus on arrow signals. In the basic version, simply open a buy-call option when an upward arrow appears below the candlestick and buy a put option when a downward arrow appears above the candlestick. As you can see on the screen, the Peradox Sniper indicator signals are quite accurate. This tool does a good job of identifying reversal points on the price chart. So, to open a call option, you need to 1. Wait for the trading signal, an upward arrow below the candlestick, to appear. 2. Buy the call option at the opening of the next time frame. To open a put option, you need to 1. Wait for the signal, a downward arrow above the candle, to appear, and 2. Buy the put option at the opening of the next time frame. It's recommended to choose an expiration time of 2 candles. We recommend choosing the position holding period based on historical data testing results. Now a few words about the advantages and disadvantages of this indicator. To increase the percentage of profitable trades, it's recommended to follow the Peradox Sniper indicator signal in the direction of the trend on higher time frames. For example, if you're trading on the M5, pay attention to the trend direction on the M30. If there's a bullish trend on the higher time frame, then only open call options on the M5 chart after an upward arrow appears under the candle. If the trend is bearish, do the opposite. You can determine the trend on the M30 using any trend indicator, which we discussed in the article Top 7 Best Trend Indicators for Binary Options. The main advantage of this tool is its accurate trading signals. In most cases, after the arrow appears, the price moves in the direction of the moving average. Since profiting from binary options doesn't require chasing major price movements, even a small pullback can be profitable. One drawback is the appearance of trading signals against the main trend. However, by taking into account the trend direction of the higher time frame, this can be minimized. The Peradox Sniper binary options indicator is a unique trend-following tool based on a proprietary algorithm. It is equally suitable for both Forex and binary options traders. Its unique formula allows for the generation of precise arrow signals without repainting, and a dynamic moving average will help avoid counter-trend trades. And remember, any strategy or indicator is just a tool that requires skillful use. Be sure to test and verify the indicator's performance on a demo account using historical data, while keeping in mind risk and capital management rules. Also, choose only trusted brokers, which you can find in our regularly updated rating on our website. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website and stay up to date with the latest news from binary options, cryptocurrency, and forex trading. Thank you for your attention. We wish you good profits and safe trading. And to ensure you're confident in this indicator's reliability, we'll demonstrate its operation in real time and confirm that its signals don't repaint.